Are you tired of time-consuming and labour-intensive deburring processes? Well, say goodbye to inefficiency with the Metal Master Deburr 1380. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. When you need a cost-saving machine that does manual deburring, grinding, edge rounding and finishing, the Metal Master Deburr 1380 from Hare Forbes Machinery House is an excellent solution. Fitted with multiple stations, the machine allows for the integrated execution of different processes. Tools include a variety of different heads for deburring, wool polishing, sanding, deslagging and Scotch brighting. Now the machine has variable speeds, meaning easy adjustment of the tools and the processes. The table also features a vacuum area to secure small parts, a dust extraction outlet at the rear of the cabinet and storage space for accessories. So, for more information visit Hare Forbes Machinery House, and thank you for watching.